process that I use. When I show you the steps that I do, had good success in this. DCS 570S. Close to me, I'll have to move my top to the crawl space or, hurt the leg. Here I had some areas where I was sagging and couldn't get my blocks on the 232nd plywood up against the particle board. There's a sag, I'm going to push it up until the edges of my blocks are even after. We have everything free again. So we put that on all of the surfaces. Anyway, that's how I replace damaged subfloor.